Good Tuesday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here. Looking at the last 12 hours of simulated radar guidance as we got into last night about right around that 9-10 o'clock hour. We started to see a few storms pop up across northwest Iowa, and as we generally went overnight into Tuesday morning here, we saw that cluster of showers and thunderstorms set up across the tri-state region. And then as we get towards about the current radar this morning, we actually have a severe thunderstorm here across southern Minnesota this morning. This has actually had history of some pretty large hail coming out of it, and we did see some hail reports across northwest Iowa last night. And looking at the wind forecast for today, we're going to have a boundary setting up here. So depending on where you live is going to be questionable on what wind direction you're dealing with and how strong the wind is as well. So across the southern part of the state, you're dealing with a southwesterly wind sustained up there about 10 to 17 miles per hour. And then across the northwestern part of the state, you're dealing with more of a northeasterly wind, about 10 to 17. Those gusts probably up there about 25, maybe at times around 30 miles an hour. So it may be a little breezy out there. But in the center section here, some of us not even going to be seeing very much wind out of this today. So as we look at temperatures today, a lot of us getting into the 60s, 70s, and lower to middle 80s, especially as you get down here towards Des Moines and then back into extreme southern Iowa here. We can see an area down here, lower to middle 80s expected in those areas today. And as you get back into the northwest Iowa here, we're going to be dealing with a little bit of cloud cover today, which is actually going to keep those temperatures a little bit chillier. And also we're going to be dealing with those rain chances, which I'll get to here. So as we go through the forecast radar, as we go through the morning here, not seeing a lot of activity. I think it's as we get towards about the noon and early afternoon time frame, say anywhere from 12 to, I would say, 4 p.m. here. There's a shot for some showers, maybe even a couple rumbles of thunder not ruled out here. And then as we go deeper into tonight here, we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms setting up across northwest Iowa overnight into Wednesday morning. Even could see a few stronger storms down here across the southern part of the state as you get into Wednesday morning. And then just overall scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing across the northern half of the state here through the first half of Wednesday. And then as you get towards noon here, you see places like over towards northeast Iowa, back into north central Iowa here, seeing showers and thunderstorms. And then as you go to the afternoon here, as we kind of see that die off with maybe a few scattered showers still not ruled out across the northern part of the state, we'll start to see a second wave develop here down here across the southern part of the state. Those could be stronger with some possible hail in them as we get into Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. Something we'll be watching. And then as we get Wednesday night into Thursday morning here, we'll see some scattered showers from central to eastern Iowa. And as we go into Thursday morning here, deeper into Thursday morning, we'll finally clear that out of here. So looking at total precipitation amounts through Thursday morning, now through Thursday morning here, we're basically dealing with that risk tonight through Wednesday across the northwestern part of the state. And then across our southeastern counties here, dealing with Wednesday night into Thursday. Okay, you see a lot of areas down here across southeastern Iowa, probably a good quarter to a half inch of rain looks pretty common here. And then back to the northwest here, anywhere from a couple hundredths, I would say even a quarter to maybe even 4/10, not out of the question here, in some isolated spots here across northwest Iowa. And then there's going to be an area in between here. We're only going to see probably, I would say, maybe 500ths to maybe upwards of a 10th inch of rain, but very, very scattered here in the center where you are going to see that. Now, looking farther out in terms of rain chances, as we get into the rest of the week, staying fairly dry. Getting into the weekend, staying fairly dry. I think that next shot of rain is going to be coming in Sunday night into Monday. And we'll have to continue to watch this Sunday night, Monday, possibly leading into Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Obviously, a little ways out there, but just a little bit of a heads up there. That's our next shot for some rain chances. Now, looking at high temperatures on Wednesday, a lot of us in the 60s to lower 70s as we get into Thursday, 60s statewide. By the time you get into Friday and into Saturday, we're actually starting to warm temperatures back up, especially by Saturday. We're seeing temperatures go back up into the 70s and lower 80s, 70s statewide on Sunday. And by the time you get to early next week, you can see 60s, lower 70s. Pretty common here. That's all for today. I hope you guys have a great day.